Sealey's Rapid Set MMA adhesive is a 25 milliliter solution, uniquely suited for a wide range of materials. It's based on methyl methacrylate, known as MMA, an adhesive perfect for bonding metals, plastics, carbon fiber, and wood. This rapid cure adhesive boasts a working time of 4 to 6 minutes and a fixture time of 12 to 15 minutes. Its high tensile strength resists shear, peeling, weathering, solvents, and impact stress. Supplied as a 2-part adhesive, it comes with a convenient mixing tube. It's versatile, catering to various sectors such as automotive, marine, aerospace, and electronics. Experience the Sealey's promise of quality with the 25 milliliters Rapid Set MMA adhesive. The Grizzly Manual Tube Bender, your trusted companion for precise tube bending. This durable and user-friendly tool is quick to set up and requires minimal training. With its versatile capabilities, it can bend steel, copper, and aluminum tubing. From 1/2 inches to 2 inches round tubing and 1 inch to 2 inches square metal tubing, this bender handles it all. Trust its reliable performance and sturdy steel construction for years of service. The T30860 manual tube bender is perfect for roll cages, frames, and machinery repairs. Equipped with a floor-mounted stand, bend angle indicator, and removable handle, it ensures ease and efficiency. Experience the promise of performance and reliability with the T30860 manual tube bender from Grizzly. The Emark, a portable and powerful marking system designed for heavy, large, and hard-to-reach parts. With its rugged and reliable construction, it can mark even the toughest materials with superior precision. The Emark is equipped with an 18-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery for convenient and safe operation. Its lightweight and versatile design makes it suitable for a wide variety of parts. From plastics to hardened steel up to 62 HRC, the Emark ensures high-quality markings. With its carrying case and integrated software, it offers ease of use and flexibility. Experience the durability and efficiency of the Emark for all your marking needs. The versatile and powerful Forcible entry tool. T1, a hydraulic tool that combines cutting, wedging, ramming, spreading, hammering, and lifting capabilities. With its compact design and multifunctionality, the T1 is the ultimate tool for any job. It features removable cutting blades and a detachable wedge for added versatility and space optimization. The hydraulic cutting and spreading mechanism delivers high forces in a compact and standalone design. The T1 is lightweight, easy to use in confined spaces, and eliminates the need for additional tools or personnel. With its optimized cutting blades, spreading tips, and load-holding function, the T1 is perfect for various applications. Its 2-stage pump ensures exceptional power transmission and reduces energy requirements. CEMBRE's CSEU support trolley, the ultimate solution for railway applications. Designed for compatibility with CEMBRE impact wrenches and sleeper drilling machines, this trolley offers convenience and versatility. Its 360-degree operating range and adjustable force allow for flexible operation. The vertical extension feature enables work on longer screw fasteners, while braked wheels ensure stability and safety. The balance crossarm enhances performance, and the support base allows for material transportation. With its restyled design and special kits, the CSEU support trolley is the perfect choice for efficient railway operations. The VarioPlate cable entry system, a versatile solution for efficient cable management. With 4 frame sizes and combinable grommets, it accommodates a wide range of cable diameters. The modular design saves time and space during installation, while the integrated frame gasket ensures a reliable seal. The system meets IP66 standards for dust and water protection, providing longevity in demanding environments. Its ability to combine small and large grommets within a single frame enhances versatility. The inserts feature a molded strain relief retainer for added support. With its secure fit, compatibility with common cutout dimensions, and high level of protection, the VarioPlate cable entry system is the ideal choice for effective cable management. The Barbaric Easy Lifter EZL Mini U, a mobile battery-powered suction cup. This upgraded version works on structured and smooth surfaces, offering versatility. With a maximum load of 80 kilograms, it ensures effortless and safe load movement. The dual battery system provides a long operating time and fast suction speed. A vacuum monitoring system ensures secure grip and safety. Weighing approximately 3 kilograms, it's lightweight and portable. No external power source is needed, and it includes a power supply unit for charging convenience. Experience the convenience of the Barbaric Easy Lifter EZL Mini U for efficient lifting in various industries. Scangrip's comprehensive range of specialized LED solutions for UV curing in automotive body and paint repairs. With UV LED technology, you can work faster and more efficiently with reduced curing times. The UV gun offers powerful and competitively priced curing, featuring an exchangeable battery and no heat production during the process. The Scangrip power solution system ensures uninterrupted workflow with easy battery exchange. The Nova UVS provides powerful curing for larger areas, while the handheld UV light is perfect for smaller and medium-sized areas. Achieve fast and high-quality curing with Scangrip's UV curing LED solutions designed for automotive professionals. The Grizzly T33151, 5-speed HEPA hanging air filter, equipped with HEPA and carbon filters for improved air quality in your workspace. It offers 5 airflow speeds and smart sensors that detect and adjust the fan speed based on air quality. The HEPA filter traps small particles down to 0.3 microns, ensuring clean air free from contaminants. The built-in filter quality monitor indicates when filters need replacing. The control panel includes an air quality indicator with color-coded lights. Set the filter for timed performance or use the auto function for automatic adjustments. The Grizzly T33151 comes with a 1-year warranty and a comprehensive manual for easy setup and usage. The Amprobe AT3500 Underground Cable Locator, a rugged and cost-effective solution for locating underground cables, wires, and pipes. It is designed for both energized and de-energized applications, making it versatile and efficient. The backlit digital display and audible indicators provide precise pinpointing of buried surfaces. The AT3500 offers 3 testing modes, including passive power, passive radio, and active signal generation. With a depth measurement capability of up to 16 feet, it ensures accurate results. The 33 kHz active frequency is ideal for general locating, and the semi-automatic gain control allows for fast signal location and control. Improve productivity and reduce operational costs with the Amprobe AT3500 Underground Cable Locator. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.